Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating where duplicates originate. Sign in and open settings, see all settings. Once done, inspect accounts and import and forwarding and POP/IMAP to see if multiple fetches or forwarding rules exist. These often create duplicates. Make sure to note which external mail clients or devices use POP versus IMAP and identify the affected address or alias. This quick audit gives you the list of places to change so you can stop duplicate delivery at the source. Next, you act on the causes. Turn off extra POP fetching in the other account that pulls mail into Gmail, or change leave copy on server so duplicates stop. Then create a targeted filter for repeated messages, use from, subject, or headers to match duplicates. Set it to skip inbox and apply label or delete based on your workflow. Also make sure external clients use IMAP rather than POP when possible, because IMAP sync avoids independent downloads that generate duplicates. This prevents recurrence. Finish by testing. Send a message to the affected address and watch delivery. You should see a single copy. If duplicates persist, search for the message pattern, select all matches and delete or move them to a dedicated label before removing. Make sure to recheck any client-side rules, forwarding settings, and multiple account entries in mail apps. These are frequent culprits. If you still see duplicates, temporarily disable one client at a time to isolate the source, and then correct its retrieval settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.